Number 5. The DJI Neo is a groundbreaking drone that redefines entry-level aerial photography with professional-grade performance and intelligent features packed into a compact, lightweight design. Tailored for both hobbyists and content creators, the Neo delivers crystal-clear 4K video at 30 fps and high-resolution stills, supported by a stabilized 3-axis gimbal that ensures ultra-smooth footage even in breezy conditions. Its cutting-edge obstacle avoidance system uses multi-directional sensors to seamlessly navigate complex environments, reducing the risk of crashes and enabling safer flights. With an impressive flight time of up to 40 minutes on a single charge, and a robust transmission range that spans several kilometers, the Neo empowers users to explore vast landscapes without interruption. The drone's intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me, Active Track, and Waypoint navigation, make capturing dynamic, cinematic shots effortless. Whether you're tracking fast-moving subjects or orchestrating autonomous flights with pinpoint accuracy. Additionally, the DJI Neo integrates GPS and GLONASS for precise positioning and enhanced return-to-home functionality, giving users peace of mind in every flight. Its intuitive controller. Number 4. The DJI Flip is a revolutionary foldable drone designed to merge high performance with unmatched portability, crafted for creators who demand agility without compromising on quality. At the heart of the DJI Flip lies a powerful imaging system that captures stunning 4K UHD footage at 60 fps and 480p stills, all stabilized through an advanced 3-axis gimbal that guarantees cinematic smoothness in every frame. What sets the Flip apart is its innovative auto-rotation mechanism that allows the drone to perform 180-degree flips mid-air, enabling unique aerial transitions and immersive content that stands out on social platforms. It's aerodynamic, collapsible. Frame tucks neatly into a small carry case, making it the perfect travel companion for adventurers, vloggers, and filmmakers on the move. With intelligent flight modes like Smart Orbit, Dynamic Zoom, and Instant Panorama, the DJI Flip simplifies complex shooting techniques, allowing users to focus on creativity rather than manual control. Enhanced by an AI-powered subject tracking system, the drone locks onto moving subjects with remarkable precision, adapting to speed and direction in real time. The long-lasting battery supports up to 38 minutes of uninterrupted flight, while its upgraded signal transmission system ensures ultra-low latency and extended range. Number 3. The DJI Avata 2 redefines immersive drone flying with its sleek, Cinewhoop-inspired design and ultra-responsive performance, tailored for pilots who crave adrenaline-pumping aerial experiences. Outfitted with a powerful high-definition camera capable of capturing 4K 120 fps video, it delivers cinematic slow-motion footage with breathtaking clarity from any angle. The Avata 2 features DJI's next-generation stabilization system, combining Rocksteady 2.0 and Horizon Steady to eliminate shake and jitters for razor-sharp, gimbal-like smoothness, no matter how fast or agile the flight is. It's protective. Ducted frame lets you fly close to obstacles, navigating tight spaces and weaving through urban environments with confidence, while the super-low latency video transmission and high-speed O3+ link ensure real-time control and clarity up to several kilometers away. Pilots can select from immersive flight modes such as manual, sport, cine, and normal, each tuned to different skill levels and creative goals, from heart-racing freestyle loops to ultra-stable cinematic floats. The wide, comfortable DJI FPV goggles offer a vivid pilot's eye view. Number 2. The DJI Air 3S is a standout in DJI's mid-range drone category, offering a perfect fusion of portability, cinematic imaging, and intelligent flight control, all within a sleek, foldable design that's tailor-made for content creators and aerial storytellers. At the heart of the Air 3S lies a sophisticated dual camera system. A 50MP 1-inch CMOS wide-angle lens delivers breathtaking landscape shots with exceptional detail, while the 70mm telephoto lens, powered by a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, adds depth and drama through crisp zoomed-in compositions. Both sensors offer up to 14 stops of dynamic range, enabling nuanced image capture in challenging lighting conditions, from golden hours to high-contrast scenes. For videographers, the Air 3S raises the bar with 4K 60 fps HDR recording, slow motion, at 4K 120 fps, and support for professional 10-bit color profiles like D-Log-M and HLG, giving creators the flexibility to color grade without compromising image quality. Where this drone truly shines is its flight intelligence and safety. Omnidirectional vision sensors, combined with front-facing LiDAR and a PAS 5.0, ensure precise obstacle avoidance, even during complex maneuvers or night flights. Next-gen return to home. Algorithms bring peace of mind during long-range flights. Number 1, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a powerhouse of aerial innovation, masterfully blending professional-grade imaging, next-level flight intelligence, and sleek portability into a single foldable design ideal for a compelling 6-minute showcase. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 6K 30 FPS video and ultra-high-resolution 20MP stills, it delivers breathtaking clarity and vibrant colors, while its upgraded 3-axis gimbal ensures buttery smooth footage even in fast-paced action. The drone's advanced obstacle sensing surrounds all sides, enabling confident navigation through complex environments, supported by intelligent flight features like Active Track Pro, Spotlight, and waypoints that streamline dynamic storytelling without manual input. With a robust flight time of up to 45 minutes and an extended 0.5 transmission system offering up to 15 kilometers of low-latency HD feed, the Mavic 4 Pro empowers creators to explore wide vistas and distant subjects with ease. Its dual antenna controller and integrated GPS GLONASS guarantee precise positioning and a reliable return to home, even in windy conditions.